In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set and achieve your goals using Notion in 2025, along with a free goal planning template. We'll be diving into the step-by-step process of utilizing this powerful tool to organize and track your aspirations effectively. So, let's get started on this exciting journey to enhance your productivity. First, let's head over to your connected workspace in Notion. Notion provides a versatile platform for managing your wiki, docs, projects, and more. If you're new to Notion, it's essentially an all-in-one workspace where you can create and manage documents, notes, databases, and other tools to coordinate your tasks and goals seamlessly. After accessing your workspace, you'll want to log in to your account. Just click on the Login button and enter your credentials. This step ensures that all your data syncs perfectly across devices, giving you the flexibility to keep track of your goals wherever you are. It's a simple process, but fundamental to getting you set up. Once you're logged in, navigate to Notion Home. This is your central hub where all your activity and notes reside. It's like a dashboard that provides a comprehensive overview of your projects and tasks. Making use of Notion Home allows you to stay organized and focused on what truly matters. Now, look for the Marketplace button and click on it. The Notion Marketplace is a goldmine of templates and tools designed by the Notion community. This is where you can find templates tailored to your specific needs, from project management to personal development. Today, we're interested in goal planning, so let's dive a bit deeper. In the next step, search for goal planning in the Marketplace. This search will bring up several templates specifically created to help you plan and achieve your goals. Each template brings its unique style and approach, so take a moment to explore a few options and see which one aligns best with your vision. Once you've browsed and found a suitable template that resonates with your style and the goals you want to achieve, go ahead and select it. Choosing the right template is crucial. It should complement your workflow and inspire you to take actionable steps. These templates often come with built-in structures for goal setting, progress tracking, and even motivational elements to help you stay on track. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for success in 2025. Using Notion. Remember that while the tool is powerful, your commitment to the goals you set will drive your achievements. Keep refining your goals in Notion. Actively check your progress and adjust as necessary. Happy planning, and here's to all your future successes.